Right, so group 4 ay si Aisel, and then ang sunod ay si Barameda, ang sunod ay si Leonisa, at si Leo Sala. Ano?
Lambot.
Alright, so quiet para matapos na tayo, dalawang group na lang. Ano, mag-participate ang lahat. So bunot namin si Aisel and then balik doon. Laksan ang boses kasi yung layo, ano?
Okay, corruption.
Timer starts now.
Corruption is what the Philippines are experiencing nowadays. A lot of government officials are putting the money or the tax that the people pay to the betterment of our country. They often use the government officials often put those taxes into their own bank accounts. Especially, they often actually put those money in different bank accounts from different countries like Switzerland, for example. That's just
Tapos na.
Times yan, very good. Ang lakas. Okay. Alright, next.
Sayuan mo. Maganda na sa inyo.
Timer starts. Timer starts now.
Pinuri.
Time's up. Next. Timer starts now.
Uy!
Uy! Teacher is the one who teach us to learn
Time's up. Next. Miss Leonisa. Timer starts now.
Okay, planting trees. Some people make a group that can they do this activity to plant the trees, and also to hope that Earth, like the Mother Earth, we know, and we all know that Earth is we need to take care of it because and also planting trees is very nice.
Time's up. Next. Second round. Bunot na para kay Miss Malabunga. Timer starts now. Time's up. Next. For Miss Leo Sala. Bunot na. Timer starts now.
Teachers of senior high school. Oh, okay. This our teachers right now, senior high school is we consider it a second parent because it's a second parent that we guide us within a school, not in the outside. So it's a parent or teacher who will teach us everything and also teachers, senior high school teachers, we can recognize.
Time's up. Good. Next. Last round.
Trust and
Timer starts now.
trust and honesty is a virtue that we usually don't accept, not really, but we really don't apply nowadays because people have been a bit cruel nowadays because we are infuriated by these worldly things that corrupted our minds to what we have become right now. Our world is not as good as it was. It's not as trustworthy as it is as it was. But I hope that we can try our best to make this world a better place.
Time's up. Very good. O, di ba, Isel, ang ganda kapag ibang tao, ibang personality. Ano? Sige. Next, bunot para kay Mr. Barameda. Timer starts now.
Ay, yan!
Mathematics is so very hard. Mathematics is not my favorite subject. But Peter is good with this. And
Time's up. Next. Bunot.
drag out ang
Timer starts now. Time's up. Alright, next, last. Oh, bunot na. Para kay Miss Leo Sala.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Timer starts now. Mama Leila Joy Talento is our advisor. She's beautiful and she's kind. Even sometimes we're so timid. Yeah, she's so kind to us and like when she give us some advice when we have some misunderstanding discussion, she still can handle us and she's so
Sabina. Timer starts now. Tagal naman.
So, everyone, college. College is a kind of sector, but every student that passed or graduated in senior high school from the primary high school is going to college. And from my own point of view, I want to go to college after I graduated high school. In the college, I want to study Camarines Garden State College because I believe that Camarines State College is a key.
Very good. Time's up. Sabina. Okay, next. Bunot na. Timer starts now.
fellow students of ABM, as we go in the future, we will handle some of the most businesses in the future. In the concept of the study ABM, teaches you to become not to learn about businesses, especially then provide information to run the businesses for the future.
Okay, next round. Alright, bunot. Timer starts. Wala pa.
Assertive.
Okay, sige, okay lang.
Romil. Baka tabliso.
Romil Tibera. Timer starts now.
Sir Romil Tibera is our teacher.
Justin. Justin. Ayan. Pinsan na yan. Time's up. Bunot.
Chup-chup.
Timer starts now.
Okay, solar power. So as what Carl said earlier, solar power is a crucial tool for us. It is produce electricity. Like for example, power plant. Like power plant. Because when electricity is a crucial right.
Time's up. Next. Timer starts now.
Drug addiction is one of the most issues that we face nowadays. Drug issues affects many people. Drug addiction is one of the most crucial issue that we face nowadays here in the Philippines. It affects many teenagers.
Time's up. Next. Bunot.
Red Cross.
Timer starts now. Time's up. Next.
Member ako niya dati.
Timer starts now.
So racism. So as what Kurt said earlier, so racism is a discrimination. We have to avoid because racism, like it is a kind of discrimination in terms of colors of a person, in terms of their. I don't think, but gender discrimination is related with racism, and every individual need a peace and.
Okay, good performance. Ano? Next. For the last round na yun, ano?
Okay lang. Ano yun?
Ano yun? Bunot na.
Ano nga yun?
Metros. Okay. Rizal National High School Canteen.
Timer starts now.
Fellow students of Quezon National High School. RNH's canteen is one of the most important part of the school system because of canteen because canteen sufficient for the school because it tends to wear Bibles in some
Time's up. Next. Okay, so for the last time, kay Miss Cyril Del Mundo.
Yes, mga kapatid.
begin here.
Ay, timer starts now. Time's up. So thank you very much for your performances for this activity. Congratulations sa pagkatapos ng ating impronto. Sige, palakpakan natin ang bawat isa.